Okay, so hi guys. I know I'm recording on my iPad and Gabriel's, so I know Gabriel originally isn't here. I mean, he is, but today we are going to, he's just not in the video, sorry. Gabriel's here, but he's not in the video because he's doing something else. So today we are going to be watching one kitten, but we originally have 4. In part 1, if you can go watch that, you'll see the other 3. We just have a limit for 10 minutes, so we can only have videos 10 minutes long. But that one we had 12. So this one's gonna be like a 5-minute video. Whoa, buddy. Whoa, bud. Okay, so I'll announce all their names at the end. So it's time to get washing. So you don't want it too cold, but you don't want it too hot. Okay, I'm gonna put you on the ground. I'll catch him later. That's obviously too cold. Still too cold. You can have a plug there, but we're not using one, or I'm not using one, because I don't essentially need one. That's a little warmer. You don't want it too warm, and you don't want it too cold. That's actually perfect. So the soap we are going to be using, the company is by Zest, and the scent is very berry. Okay. Where is he? I need you. He doesn't really like, this is him when he is dry. Then this is him when he is dry. I'll show you when he is wet. Okay. And apparently he really doesn't like his bath. This is the first time we've ever gotten these kittens before. Come on, just get your head there. There we go. Nice little boy. We've only had them we got them on, I think, Wednesday? So, whoa, you just went right into them. Okay, let's get your body wet. Let's get them wet. And your tummy. Okay, let's get your booty wet too. Okay. Meow. So, let's turn that off. The other 3 kittens are here because we just gave them baths, as I said in part 1. If you will go see that, I can't put in the description below because honestly I don't know how. Let's just scrub him up. And I'll show you guys all of the cats, and I'll announce their names as I'm showing you guys. This one obviously doesn't like his bath. Oh my gosh, okay, I'll just hold him. Okay, that's better. Oh, okay. Claws. Ow. Oh, and I am doing this in my the bathroom sink. So I was going to do it in the kitchen sink, but you, Missy, don't really like your bath, do you? Okay, here, come on. Let's get your tummy. Sorry if my arm is in the way. Okay, are you done? This munchkin is done. So guys. Okay, so. Okay, good. I can flip this around. So I can do that. Hi. And I'm going to need to grab Gabriel's iPad. Hi, guys. Gabriel, your iPad's gonna get soaked. So, I just wanted to show you guys how I'm gonna draw this little one. So, hi guys. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped him. What? Okay, so hi guys. I know his stopped. Okay. So hi. Hi there. I'm gonna need to make another video of his announcing all the names. Okay. Hi. So this is our little guy. He doesn't like to be wrapped up, apparently. So here he is when he is wet. He's so cute when he's wet. They're all so cute. So, come on in. Okay, well,
hammer it.
Gabriel, mittens.
Mittens? Oh, nice.
Okay, so, I don't know why, but yours stopped at 5 minutes. See, I don't know why.
Is that?
I was just gonna show them how I dry this one off. I was gonna have to make a video announcing all the names on yours. So
I'll go do that right now.
no, I can if you want. Okay, so at the beginning of the video, I said, "Hi guys." So basically, what I'm doing is just taking the towel. I literally almost dropped him. That's why that's wet. So
if you want to see the full version, wait. No.
Okay, so I just take the towel and I put him in it, and then I just take it and I rub it on him.
Wait, so how far in the video was 5 minutes?
Literally when I just turned this to me. So I'm gonna now announce all the names.
I'll leave and make that video.
This is gonna be Storm.
Bye.
Don't you gonna need all the cats?
No.
Okay. So this is Storm. He's the one we just did. He still smells good. As I said, I have the rest of the cats in here with me. Okay, go Storm. Now, I'm going to get my kitty. Hi there. Okay. Then, get ready for cuteness. This is Billy. He's so cute. His face is so cute. Yeah. And then, did you just do a poop? I don't know. Oh, the towel's apparently filled with poop. So, let me get this one. Whoa, don't fall over, Emma. Don't fall over. Come on, you. Come on. Okay, sorry about that. And this one is already good. Her name is Mittens. Yeah. She's a full black and white cat. She's mainly black. Then, you just took a poop. And this one is Cinder. He was the first one to get a bath. That's why he's dry. Almost completely dry. So, he's like a grayish white because he has a white face. And then, yeah, Cinder. Cinder, say hi. Say hi. And then, I'll tell you what Billy is. He's like almost a calico, sort of. So, he's his original name was Stripey, because my friend was gonna have him, and that's why he named him. But my friend took this one instead, which I really wanted, but I don't care. Now Storm is a white. He's white on his paws, and he's shivering, and he's like gray almost all around. Yeah, are you gray? Yeah, you are. You smell good. Okay, so that's how to wash the one cat. Again, if you go to Washing Kittens Part 1, you'll see the rest of the 3 cats got washed, and that's not by me, that's by Gabriel. He was the one standing next to me. So, bye.